Hi, this is 11579. This is a Central Park balcony cabin here on Utopia of the Seas. Let's go in and have a look. You come straight in, and remember your configuration may vary just a little bit. We'll go ahead and take a look at the bathroom, which is a standard bathroom here with your capsule shower and your vanity and your throne. Just standard, but still very nice, pretty spacious for cruise ship bathroom quarters. You have the sofa here. Some rooms will sleep 4 and this will pull out into a trundle bed. Some will just sleep 2 and this is just a couch. But we've got double wardrobes on either side of the couch. I like that layout. You've got your vanity here. Very nice. All kinds of new outlet options here on Utopia. This is great for those of us that have lots of devices to plug in. Our nice bed, and each side of the bed does have a lamp with a plug and a USB-C plug as well. And then you have your balcony, which is why we get these cabins. This is the Central Park balcony, so it is overlooking Central Park here. During the day, you do have the noise from the pool deck, but I will say if you are inside your stateroom and you close the door, you do not get all of that extra noise. So that is really nice. So we'll go back in, shut the door for the next folks. Also, you want to lock your door to make sure the air conditioning stays on. But this is a Central Park balcony, deck 11, Utopia of the Seas.